Welcome to Positive Mind Dynamics. The what and how of mindfulness. Find a comfortable place to start your mindfulness meditation. As you are lying in a comfortable position or sitting in a comfortable chair, relax your hands. Take a deep breath in. 1, 2, 3. Hold. 1, 2, 3. Breathe out. 2, 3. Come back to your breath. Feel the cool air enter your nostrils. Take a deep breath in. Feel your belly rise. Take a deep breath out and feel your belly contract. Think of what your body is feeling right now. The what of mindfulness meditation. As you are breathing, slow, regular breaths, observe the sensations in your body as you breathe in, and as you breathe out, feel the sensations of your body. Observe how your body feels lying on the floor. Listen to the sounds around you. Observe these sounds. Perhaps there's a soft breeze blowing across your feet. Perhaps the wind is blowing and the trees are rustling. Observe the sounds. Recognize them. Describe what you are feeling as you listen to the wind blowing and the leaves rustling in the trees. As you breathe, be completely immersed in the sensations of the observations and the descriptions of what you are hearing, what you are feeling. Be participative in your breathing exercise. Focus on being totally aware and observing sights in your mind, thoughts, sounds, smells. Be aware of what's going on right now at this present moment, how you are feeling, the sensations you are experiencing. Observe, participate, and describe the present moment as you are breathing. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Bring your attention to your breath. Comfortable, normal breathing. You will find that thoughts will come and thoughts will go. Being mindful is an exercise in how your breath feels going into your body, how your breath feels out as you exhale. Being present in the moment and not paying attention to any thoughts or problems that are causing you anxiety or stress. Calm yourself by focusing on your breath, breathing in and breathing out. The how in mindfulness needs a skill to be one-minded. Don't let your mind wander aimlessly around, thinking of chores that you may have to do later or problems that happened yesterday. Focus on your breath, and if feelings arise and problems surface in your body through the feeling of raised heart rates or feeling temperatures rising within yourself, recognize how these feelings and sensations are affecting you, but look at them non-judgmentally. If an unhappy thought arises, describe it to yourself. Recognize the feelings in your body, but look at it non-judgmentally. Come back to your breath. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Bring your mind to this present moment where you are lying on the floor. Focus on your breath, noticing all your senses. Think of your thoughts as clouds in the sky. Look at the clouds as they change. Different shapes form. Look at your thoughts and see the clouds and your thoughts float away. Don't be judgmental. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Keep thinking of thoughts that may cross your mind as clouds drifting in the sky. Watch them as they float away. Breathe in, breathe out. Bring your focus back to this present moment. Be present. Be mindful. Think of the what and the how you have participated in your mindfulness practice. Breathe in for 3. Hold your breath for 3. Breathe out for 3. Come back to your normal breath. Take a deep breath in and exhale through your mouth. Slowly open your eyes. Focus your eyes on something white. Focus on something green. Be present. You have completed the what and how of your mindfulness practice.